This is like hitting the lottery, I think. How many colors we got? We've got yellow, purple, blue, red, black. Black, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus the white and the clear. And then when you blend, we get some orange. And there might be a little green that pops out in there. Look at that. Boom. This is like a 6-color. So is that a V? Is this a Vitro Popeye? What do we got here? Sure glad I grabbed this though. Look at this. These 3 here caught my eye in this lot. 160. And that's gonna pay my mortgage, I think, for a couple of months.